Hi and welcome to OnceHub videos. I'm Deepak from the OnceHub team. In this quick video, I will show you how to enable two-factor authentication or TFA in OnceHub, a simple way to add an extra layer of security to your account. Before we begin, please note that TFA in OnceHub applies when your login method is email and password. If you sign in using Google or Microsoft, you will need to set up TFA directly with those providers. Also, this is profile level setting. So let's get started. Simply log into your OnceHub account and click the profile icon in the top right corner and select Profile Overview. Next, go to the two-factor authentication and here you can select your preferred authentication method. When you select an email, you will need to click on this and then verify it with your OnceHub account password. Once password is verified, you will get another code to your email. Once that code is verified, TFA will be enabled for email. Same is for SMS. When you select the SMS, you will need to verify your OnceHub account password, then enter your mobile number, send the code, enter the code and verify. When selecting Authenticator app, you will need to first verify your account password and then open any authenticator app like Google, Microsoft or any other. Then you will need to scan this code to add the account and then add the code which is generated by Authenticator app. Once code is verified, your authentication method will be enabled. And that's it. You are all set. From now on, each time you log in, you will use both password and a verification code, giving you extra account protection. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out more tutorials on our channel.